Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I am excited to introduce the JOAT Stock Management app, a complete stock management system created entirely in Excel. In this tutorial, I will show you how the application works and guide you through its main features step by step. This is the homepage of the JOAT Stock Management app. The application is designed to help you manage goods coming into your shop or store, as well as goods going out when they are sold to customers. Let us take a look at the buttons and features available on the homepage. The Input button opens the section where you can record goods coming into your business. In other words, this is where you record stock that you have purchased or received from suppliers. The Output button opens the section where you can record goods going out of your business. This includes products that have been sold to customers. The Supplier Registration button opens a section where you can register your suppliers. These are the individuals or companies from whom you purchase your goods. The Product Registration button opens a section where you can register the products that your business sells or manages. The Product List button opens a section where you can view all the products and suppliers that have been registered in the application. The Product Level feature allows you to monitor your current stock levels. It can help you identify products that are sufficiently stocked, running low, overstocked, or completely out of stock, so that you can take the necessary action. The Save button is used to save all the entries you have made. The Reset button is used to clear the entries in the database. Please use this feature carefully. And this Minimize button is used to minimize the application window. This area is where the name of your business will appear. The Business Name button allows you to enter and save the name of your business. Let us begin by entering the name of the business. I will now enter the business name. Please note that all the names used in this tutorial, including business names, supplier names, product names, and personal names, are not real. They are used purely for demonstration purposes to show you how the application works. As you can see, the business name now appears on the home page. Now, let us register our suppliers. First, click on the date picker and select the appropriate date. Next, enter the name of the supplier here. Then click the Add button to add the supplier to the database. As you can see, I have now added 3 suppliers to the database. Now, let us move to the Product Registration section. First, click on the date picker and select the appropriate date. Next, enter the name of the product you intend to sell. Then select or enter the supplier who will provide the product. After that, set the reorder level. The reorder level helps you determine when the quantity of a product has become low and when you may need to order more stock. Once you have registered your products, click on the Product List button. Here, you can see all the products that have been registered. You can also see the suppliers associated with each product, as well as the reorder level you have set. Now, click on the Input button to open the Input section. This is where you record the actual stock or products you receive from your suppliers. First, click on the date picker and select the correct date. Next, select the product name from the drop-down list. Then select the supplier from the supplier drop-down list. Enter the quantity of the product. After that, enter the unit cost and the selling price. Once you have completed all the required entries, click the Add button to add the product information to the database. These are the products currently in stock and available for sale. Now, let us move to the Output section. This is where you record products that have been sold to customers. Next, enter the customer's name. Then select the product that the customer is purchasing. Enter the quantity purchased. After that, select the payment method. This could be cash or any other payment option. Next, enter the name of the person who made or recorded the sale. Now, take a look at this section. This feature is used to calculate the change that should be given to the customer after payment, where applicable. Once you have completed all the required entries, click the Add button to save the sales information to the database. Again, do not forget to select the correct date using the date picker. As you can see, these are all the goods sold for the day. Now, click on the Product List button to open the Product List section. Then click on Product Level. Here, you can see the current stock levels of your products. The system can help you identify products with low stock, sufficient stock, overstock, and products that are out of stock. This information can help you determine which products need to be reordered. Once you have completed your entries, click the Save button to save all your data. Now, let us look at the analysis feature. First, we will go to the Input section to generate an analysis of the products that have entered the business. Click on Analysis. Then click on Generate Analysis. Next, enter the start date and end date. Once you have selected the dates, click OK. The application will generate the analysis and display the relevant information for the period between the dates you selected. Now, let us move to the Output section to generate an analysis of the products that have been sold. Click on Analysis. Then click on Generate Analysis. Enter the start date and end date. After selecting the dates, click OK. The application will then generate an analysis of all the sales and output information recorded between the selected dates. If you would like to learn how to create this amazing Excel stock management app yourself, please feel free to contact me through our official website. Simply scroll down to find our official contact details. The link is available in the video description and in the comment section. Before we end this tutorial, I would also like to inform you about our official school management application, JOAT Report Pro, which is now available for download. JOAT Report Pro is a powerful application with amazing features designed to assist schools with important administrative and academic tasks. With JOAT Report Pro, you can generate professional school report cards, create passport-style photographs, merge PDF files, and access many other useful features. You can download the application using the link provided in the video description and the comment section. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and colleagues. Also, stay tuned because another powerful Excel application is coming soon, the Microfinance Management app, also known as the SUSU app. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye, and I will see you in the next video.